Hello, good day, everyone, and welcome to the Force King in Team. And as you know, that we all are here based on the knowledge that we have about uh, the world's first complete crypto ecosystem called MetaForce. Okay, MetaForce. And Force is that project that the world is waiting for. I guarantee you that there's a lot of news everywhere, and people are waiting for this project, and they are getting their teams prepared, just like the same way we are getting our team prepared, sensitizing our team with the right information that will help us to not just start the platform, but to skyrocket our results to higher levels, and then bringing the team to larger stages where our team will grow endlessly. Our team will grow massively because of the structure, the strategy that we have set in place that will enable everyone on the team to have results. You see, when you want to be a part of a team, the main question should not just be about yourself. What do I stand to gain? The question should be, what do we stand to gain as a team? And that's one question that people don't ask. And a lot of people are concerned about themselves, their personal needs, okay? And that is what gets the team into jeopardy. And that's why I was saying I'm kind of sad, but not too sad anyway. But I'm sad because a lot of people are so excited about Force, about the launching of the new platform. But along the line, okay, 3 months down the line, 6 months down the line, these teams get stuck and they can't move forward anymore. The reason for that is because the strategy that they use in building from the very foundation, from the early starting of the team, was on a faulty foundation. Building businesses, online businesses, networking platforms, is very important that we take into cognizance the fact that we are building a house, and the fact that if you don't build the house on the right foundation, it will be on a faulty foundation. And we know that houses that are on faulty foundation, they stand for a period of time. After a while, they go into the air. I mean, they come crashing down. They come crashing down. And you never get to hear about such massive structures anymore. They started as massive structures, but because the foundation was not solid, that's why the massive structure came crashing down. It happens in the same thing as our family lives, businesses, whatever it is. When you're building, you build with a solid foundation. That is what will guarantee or determine that that house will last for a very long time. Am I communicating? It's very important. It will help you to stay for a very long time, and that's exactly what we're doing on our team. This is the Force King in team, and we're working with a strategy that will help everybody on the team to benefit together. We are all working together. And the only way that we can work together is when we come and put away our differences, is when we come and we put away our personal desires, because we want to help people. We've said it over and over again on our Zooms that we are in a cooperative world. Ladies and gentlemen, you cannot give your economy anymore to the government. I'll say that again. You cannot allow the government to handle your economy. time has come for you to take your economy into your hands. In other words, you become your own economy. And there are systems and platforms already on ground that can help people become their own economy. One of it is what we are into. One of it is what we are doing. Think about it. You can't continue to depend on the government. I made an illustration about India some time ago. India is over 1 billion in population. How can the government care for a population of over 1 billion people? Think about it. That's not possible. That's not possible. And how these people are still surviving. So what do you think they are doing? They are coming together in a cooperative world to assist themselves. And because they are assisting themselves in a genuine strategy, that's why they are still standing. Ladies and gentlemen, that's exactly what we need to do now. And because of the platform that is launching very soon, we can be able to partner with ourselves in a cooperative world, irrespective of your regions, irrespective of your locations, irrespective of your country. We can come together with this kind of platform in a cooperative world to help ourselves, because we can't keep depending on helping or helps that is coming from the government. That's the truth. Force is that platform that would take everybody from where they are to their financial freedom. But just in one condition: if we all do it rightly, if we all come out in the right manner to put away our personal differences, but to help ourselves to grow as a team is very important. Is very important. Are we together? So if you are not talking about the platform to people, you're not doing the right thing. This is the way for us to grow, and we will keep growing because of this strategy. All you need to do is get into the platform with the first 3 slots. The first 3 slots, and then getting 3 people to do the same thing you did. Duplicate the same thing you did over and over again. Everybody on the team having just 3 partners. Ladies and gentlemen, if we can do that, our success is for all time. Guaranteed. If we can do that, our success is for all time. The Kinging team, our team, focuses on the membership. I'll say that again. The team focuses on the membership. In other words, putting the people first, because the way we did networking in the past, we put ourselves first. A lot of leaders, they put themselves first. In other words, they build white and all the money goes to them. I don't want to begin to mention names, but we know what I'm talking about. But building deep will mean that you are putting the people first. You are sacrificing so that your team members can see results. And guess what? If your team members sees results, your own results, your own benefit is guaranteed. But you have to spend some time to sacrifice by building deep. Because, for example, I can have the ability to bring in 50 people into the team, 100 people into the team, 200 people into the team, 1,000 people into the team. But I will take just 3 partners. And then I will spread the rest number. Let's say I have 100 people. I will take 3 partners and I spread the rest under my 3. Everybody on my structure having only 3 partners. On a normal sense, I'm supposed to put all the 100 people under myself, benefiting myself. But this is a new strategy to build. Ladies and gentlemen, this will blow up our team, and everybody will be in happiness. Everybody will be happy in the team. Why? Because we're putting away. When you are in our team, or a team like this, you are putting away your personal desires to help people. And there is no how. The law of nature cannot even allow you to help somebody to stand and you will be on the ground. It's not possible. By the time you are helping somebody to stand, that person also will make you stand even more taller. That's exactly the way it works. That's exactly the way it works. And this platform has come to help us to practice that way of helping people, because first, our team is about helping people. Helping people. That's the reason why we brought it low to just $40. $40 to help anyone who wants to move from where he or she is to his financial freedom, to take this word, to take this message and run with it. If you can take this message, you ride on the wheels of large levels of finances. Why? Because you deprive yourself of the personal present hour benefits so that your people in your team can see results. If you can do that, ladies and gentlemen, yours is guaranteed. The first will be launching in a few days. Okay, the first will be launching in a few days, and we are seeing a lot of people all over the place talking about Force. Surprisingly, I get to find out that most people don't even understand how the platform works or what the platform is all about. They just know that the Force is launching soon. They don't even know. Some people say the coin is launching on the 14th. But the coin is not launching on the 14th. What is launching on the 14th is the classic program. And a lot of people say things like, you can come into the platform without referring anyone. Ladies and gentlemen, force doesn't work like forceage. I'll say that again. Force doesn't work like forceage. It is completely different. This is a program where people are going to see results actively and passively with the structures, with the matrix. Actively and passively, people will see results. And that's the reason why the creator of the platform decided to integrate the S3 and the S6 program. Please, if you've not gone through the marketing material of the classic program, I have sent it on the Telegram group several times. Charlene has also done the same. Get that material and study for yourself. We've also done justice to this on our Zoom several times. Get those Zooms and listen to them. Listen to them over and over again. If you have questions, ask us. We will put you through. We'll make you understand how it works. Because if you don't understand how it works, you will be led astray. If you have the right information, when you see the wrong information about Meta Force out there, you will not be carried away by those information. Think about it. Our team is directly connected to the creator of the platform. Could anything be better than that? We're receiving instructions from the creator of the platform himself. Nothing could be better than that. So don't be carried away by what this team is doing. What this team is doing. You know what? People are looking for teams that are already made, teams that are already built to join, to attach themselves so that they can have benefits. Why can't we think in another way to build a team instead of looking for a team that has been built by people to join? Why can't you say to yourself that I want to be the one to build a team that people can see and join? You need to think differently now. You need to think differently from the way people think. Don't think that you want to be a part of something that somebody has built. Think of the fact that you can create your own uniquely, and people can hear about what you have done, your exploits in the next 6 months, in the next 8 months, in the next 1 year. And they will say, I want to be a part of that team. Do you know how that team works? That team, the strategy they use is excellent. Why? Because they are helping themselves to grow massively. And people are going into that team and then they are seeing results because of the strategy they work with. That's the way you should think. I say that to say this. Don't get carried away by the hype of the launch. I say that several times. Those who get carried away by the hype of the launch, they always get into the platform and get stuck there. I don't want that for any member of the team, none of you. And that's why we take our time to teach you so that you will not be misled. It's very important. So if you find somebody out there who doesn't have the right knowledge about this platform, please show the person the right knowledge. You have it, and we have it, and we're ready to give to anyone who is willing to learn. Very important. So the first program is going to be launched, just in case you don't have the website, is actually meta-force.space, meta-force.space, meta-force.space. That's the URL. And you can put that on your browser and you will see the timer. It's actually reading less than 4 days to the launch of the program. Amazing, amazing. So we're going to be starting that program on the 14th. All right. Currently, we are having a test. All right. The platform is ready. Now, some people ask the question, why was it extended? Now, the reason why it was extended is because legal backings of the platform needed to be done. Okay, we needed to have proof, documents that can say that the platform is real, the platform is legit. All right, because even though a platform is real or legit, something might happen somewhere in the future. Okay, and might lead to a lot of chaos everywhere. So that's the reason why, even after creating a platform like this, the creator of the platform had to still get a third party and auditing. Okay, so some companies that does auditing were invited to audit the code of the platform so that they can certify that the code is real and is a legit platform. This document will be available on the official website and it will be available on the blockchain, just in case anybody wants to take a look at it. I remembered was it last year, sometime early last year, 2021, we had a lawsuit about Forsage in Montana. And I don't know how many people heard about it, but it was all about the platform. So in other words, even though the platform was legit, there was no legal backings. There was no legal backings, and that legal backing is what Lado is getting right now to ensure that even in the future, if there is a lawsuit about force in any part of the world, the document that certifies that force is a legit platform will be presented. I hope I'm making sense. So this is the reason why the launch of the platform was extended. Okay, I hope I'm making sense. So this is what you should be aware of. So currently, a test is being done on the platform, and the real test will be done by tomorrow. Okay, and then the platform will be launched on the 14th. So currently, the test is going on right away. All right, so we'll bring you more information on the Telegram chat. If you are on the Telegram chat, if you're not on the Telegram chat, if you're listening to this video from YouTube, click on the description that we pasted of the Telegram chat and join the Telegram group, because it's only in our Telegram group will you get to know about what we do and get the right information from us coming from the creator of the platform. And that's exactly what we do. We share this message with people who care to know, who wants to understand how the platform works. So the timer is on the website, okay? And then if you've not seen it, you can go ahead and check it out, okay? Are we together? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, so I just shared my screen just in case you can see that. So this is the website, meta-force.space is currently active, and then we can be able to so we can be able to have the understanding of the platform as time goes on. So please don't get carried away. Don't get carried away by the other kind of information that people are putting up out there. Stay with what's uh, the messages that we send to you. That's what you should stay with. Okay. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good. So this is the wow. I'm trying to take this off, and it's not showing. Okay. So I'm just gonna have to log out of Zoom. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so that's it. So any questions about the platform so far? Just in case you have a question, please feel free to ask. Any questions so far? Please feel free to ask questions. I know that a lot of us hear information from different sources, and you want to verify if those information are real. Please ask so you can have the right knowledge of what you are hearing. Okay. Okay. Shane is saying I'm ready to get started so I can retire. Wonderful. That's amazing. Oh my God. It's okay. Thank you, Shane, for that. Just make sure you get your people ready. Okay, and we're ready to fly together. Okay. Knowledge will always be given to us on the Zoom as time goes on. Okay. Yeah, I see a question here about affiliate links. Affiliate links. Now, affiliate links will be available on your dashboard. In other words, once you log in to your account, you will be able to see your affiliate link. And that link is the link you can give to the person who will be signing up under you. Okay, now don't forget that based on our team strategy, you're only allowed to give your link to 3 people. So once the 3rd person registers, you're not meant to give out your link anymore. Okay, it's very important. Very important. Now, any other questions? Please feel free, put it on the chat. Put it on the chat if you can't unmute yourself. Any other questions? Any other questions? Any other questions, please? All right. In the absence of any other questions, I want to say thank you to everyone who believes in this project. This project is a big one, and then the world will come to its knees by force. Very, very important, because everything we do on our team is well structured and mannered. Sorry, am I seeing a question? Okay. Okay. Okay, somebody's asking a question. I heard something about unlocking levels in the metaverse. How true is that? Well, unlocking levels in the platform is opening of the slots. Okay, the Metaverse Classic program has 12 slots. Okay, if you have been following our teachings, you understand it by now. We have 12 levels on the Metaverse program. So those 12 levels are slots. So based on the levels you're coming in, that you can unlock the number of levels. Now, on our team, we're only unlocking 3 levels from the very start. So that's just it. So it is true that you can unlock levels in the metaverse, but you also have to do the work by getting your partners, okay, to be with you. And then your partners will also have their own partners too, for you to see the result of the levels you unlocked. It's very important. That's one key aspect that a lot of people miss out. They tell you what you can do. They tell you what you can earn, but they don't tell you what you should do. They don't say that. So they leave that element out. And that's the most important element. So when they leave that element out, you become an investor, not a team builder. In our team, we're not looking for investors. We're looking for team builders. Okay, that's it. Thank you for the question anyway. Any other question? Any other question? That was good. So we will be having this Zoom Monday. I suppose. I think yeah. Okay, Charlie, go ahead, please.
Yes, I wanted to make everyone aware also, we're in the Metaphor. Some people in the group has joined the official chat of the Metaphors team. And what you're going to start seeing is links being placed. Do not utilize any of those links, because these are teams out there with leaders that's building wide. I've already had people reach out for our team to join. And they've explained it that the leaders is going to be passing out their links wide to other leaders, and then they're going to be passing out their links wide, which basically is leaving those people to build individual teams for themselves. That's what wide means. Everybody connects to a link, your money goes up to the leader, and then you, with all the other members, are left alone to build down under you. And like King was saying, this platform is different from Forsage. It definitely needs teams to make it work in a way that you'll see the benefits. So I just want everyone to be aware, and I've placed the message in the chat. The only way you can join the Force platform is to receive affiliate link, and you want to receive that from a team member under the Force Kinging team. And if you didn't come in, I'm invited by someone already on our team, reach out to King, one of the admins, and we have the structure format already in place. So we will put you in a position where you're connecting with the team, and we all will be building together at that point. So be very cautious. It's very tempting information out there, but that's all it is. It's tempting. Very little structure information, very little know-how, just them saying, come join the top teams, come join the big teams. But we've already seen that in the previous platform. Numbers does not always get you what you can get when you have less people, as long as the people are building correctly. So I just wanted to put that out there so people will be aware. We can't tell you what to do, and we also can't guarantee that everything will be at the point that you want. It's based on your work. And I think that's the messaging that's gotten confused out here in the whole world about these types of platforms. It needs people. And we need to network together, because regardless of who you are, whatever community you are in, eventually you'll get to the end of that. So we have to work together with multiple communities, and that's why we're doing it as a global structure, because we want to help anybody that's willing to also help themselves. So that's all I wanted to add.
Yes, exactly. So like you said, that's very, very important. Teamwork. That's what makes the dream work. If we start out without teamwork, we'll get stuck. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Okay, so don't be deceived, don't be carried away. Teamwork is the main thing, because if you don't work as a team, you might get some result, but the results will not last. It will not be for all time. If you want to get a result that will be for all time, you build a team. And building a team might be done carelessly. And that's why we have worked out a structure that will help everybody on the team to have lasting results. And that is the power of three. Power of three is coming in with the first three slots and getting three people to do exactly what you did. Duplicate the same process on and on and on, and you see massive results. That's the way to make things work here. Thank you, everyone. And then I want to say, did I see a question? Okay. So Charles, I hope I got your question cleared out very well. So you can also reach out to me just in case you have more questions. Okay. And then I will assist you to get it cleared out. All right. Thank you, everyone. And we will be here same time on Monday. So if you have your friends who you would want to be a part of this, please do it and do it with time. Okay, I just checked the uh so first will be launching on Tuesday next week. So it's very important that you get your people to be aware of what we're doing on time. Okay, on time, so that they don't get into things that they will get stuck or lose their money. It's very important. Thank you, everyone. And I will see you on the next Zoom. And as you know, that the force with us, and we are with you. Force.